back with Kerry and Dave, and Kirstie's joined me in the village of Upton Scudamore in Wiltshire, 11 miles southeast of their first place in Carlingcott. It's got a few more amenities here, including, Dave will be pleased to know, a pub.
Oh, wow. Ooh.
Its updated cottage style makes it more of a Kerry house, but it still offers Dave a bit of work. Though, will it be enough?
How does it strike you initially, first impressions?
Pretty. Very pretty.
Quirky.
And quirky.
Definitely.
We'll take that and we'll run with it. Right, in we go.
The original coach house is 300 years old, and the living room could do with a bit of Dave's TLC. The rear of the ground floor has been renovated into a gorgeous open kitchen, with a sunroom looking onto a landscaped garden that they'll be pleased to hear isn't overlooked.
Upstairs, the very large and stylish master bedroom and bathroom have both had an upgrade. And at over 2,800 square feet, it's got more space than the last place.
This 5-bedroom property is £599,000, so right at the top of their budget. But the vendors are looking for a quick sale, so we think there could be a deal, leaving funds for Dave's work.
Beautiful kitchen.
It's a lovely kitchen, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
It's a good start. It's a good start. I've already seen something I don't particularly like, but could be yours.
Go on.
It was just the front view of the converted garage.
Yes,
It's
yeah.
dire.
It's dire. This is why this house works so well, because you get to be here and completely ignore what you have to do to that bit of the house while it's going on.
Good try, Kirstie, but I think Dave wants something bigger to get his hammer into. And I don't think Kerry wants him to get it out at all.
Oh, my goodness. Goodness.
This is rather a joy.
Isn't it? This is lovely.
Phil was concerned that you had had work going on around you for years.
Yes.
And you didn't want another project.
No, I don't. I don't think I do, but I guess if I saw the right projects and it wasn't too much work.
Might this house give you the opportunity to do that?
I think it might, yes.
So this could be the ideal sized project for Kerry, as well as giving her a home to replace the one they gave up when they downsized to be closer to their family.
I know you both said that was quite difficult, selling up. You know, she's lost her kind of nest, her home.
I think she's getting better. You know, there are days when I really feel homesick, but it's realistic. And,
it's a state of where you are now, isn't it? You're renting.
Well, it's
you're wanting to get it settled and you haven't. Yeah. But that's what we're here to do this week, is to help you across that line.
I know.
But I'm starting to see how differently these two view houses. And getting them over that line is easier said than done.
I really don't like this at all. Where, you know, just... I don't know, I'd have to rearrange this completely somehow. It just doesn't feel right like that. Something would have to change.
Dave clearly would want to do a lot more work here than I anticipated. But given their budget and the top-end asking price, that's just not realistic. So I'm afraid my search isn't over yet.